Hey students, in our last lecture of business research methods, we have discussed about t-test and z-test. In this lecture, we will talk about chi-square test. So this is a very important test and it is used to test the statistical significance of the observed association in cross-tabulation. So this is used in cross-tabulation. We have discussed cross-tabulation earlier as well. We will discuss a little bit of it in this lecture. So this test is used for testing hypotheses about frequencies arranged in a frequency or contingency table. So there could be two tables, and when there are two tables with the frequencies, so chi-square test can be used to see whether there is an association between those frequencies of two different types. We'll discuss it further. So this is a univariate test involving nominal or ordinal variables. So this is chi-square test, which is used for specifically for those variables which are in nominal or ordinal scales. It cannot be used for variables in ratio or interval scale. It can be used for nominal or ordinal scale variables. So we can see an example of cross tabulation in this slide. We can see that in this cross tabulation example, the variables in columns as well as rows are in either nominal or ordinal scale. Generally these are in nominal scale. For gender, men and women, this is nominal scale. For age, again it is nominal scale. For most bailout money going yes, no or not sure, this is also in nominal scale. So in this type of cross tabulation, the chi-square test is used to see whether there is association between these frequency tables. Means there is one frequency table for gender, another frequency table is for age. So chi-square test helps to understand whether there is any association between this table for gender and table for age. So simultaneously we are trying to find out the relationship between two variables, and with those two variables we are also trying to find out yes, no and not sure, which is in rows. So this is for cross tabulation, and whether there is any association between gender table and age table, we are trying to find out this with chi-square test. It helps in determining whether a systematic association exists between the two variables. So two variables, gender and age, is there any systematic association there? So using chi-square test we can do that. Null hypothesis is that there is no association. Chi-square test is associated with goodness of fit. It is also said as goodness of fit test. GOF can be thought of as how well some matrix or table of numbers matches or fits another matrix of the same size. So there are two matrices or two tables, and how well these matrices or table match, numbers in these matrices or table match, means is there any association between two matrices or tables. Next topic is ANOVA, analysis of variance. We'll discuss this in our next lecture. Thank you.